Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LTO network coin. Now this coin just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token's on the Ethereum blockchain. It's an ERC20 token. They already have 2,044 holders, 8 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 132,878,344.3 tokens. Token price is around 11 cents today. According to their Etherscan, it's just up 1.5%. And they have a fully diluted market cap of $14 million and a circulating supply market cap of $44.9 million. Now, it was just announced that this token here is getting listed today, March 1st, at 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LTO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter at the LTO Network on Twitter there, and they have 30,400 Twitter followers. You can see that they have their Telegram listed on their Twitter there. Their Twitter's in the corner of the screen, and their webpage is on there as well. So it says Layer 1 blockchain for real world assets, partners with United Nations and the Dutch government, and more. 960 tweets so far. Their Telegram is at LTO Network and has 11,661 members, so they're doing very well across the board here. So, yeah, the LTO Network is a Layer 1 blockchain with a public and private layer. The network bridges the gap between real-world and digital ownership, decentralized identity, and privacy. LTO Network offers GDPR-compliant applications and an ecosystem for decentralized ownership of real-world assets, RWAs, and plans include developing a private and unlockable content for digital collectibles. And so they have a white paper that you can find on their webpage. You can find them their Block Explorer on there as well. And yeah, so far they've had 1,682 days of mainnet uptime, 93 total nodes, 172 million staked coins, 250,000 plus weekly operations. True RWA ownership. Our network is built for ownership. Our 2024 RWA roadmap is here. We have revealed the world's most advanced ecosystem for RWAs, bringing true digital decentralized ownership for real-world assets to the digital space. So they have the private layer with identity assets and tokenizations, and that goes along with their public layer where you can verify and have security. So the ownables, we redefine digital collectibles. private and unlockable content, along with advanced, dynamic, and consumable content. You can get the SDK on their webpage. A decentralized future needs a decentralized identity. So our ProofFi software provides KYC and AML compliance for Web3 wallets whilst keeping sensitive data private. The data is available cross-chain via Chainlink. So your wallet is you, a multi-cipher advanced wallet with embedded COSM-WASM smart contract widgets with a decentralized identity mechanism. Your assets have full power. So their team is doxed on their webpage. You can see their full names, job titles, and faces. They also have a press kit and branding assets. Their LTO network's branding should look clean, futuristic, and minimal. You can access the latest branding elements like fonts, logos, style guides, etc. So they have their old roadmap as well, their 2023 roadmap with the LTO network, their GoLand registry, their NFT bridge for ownables, on-chain SSL, all that came out basically in 2023, and then they have their updated roadmap. At the very bottom of their page, they have identities paper, identities technical paper, privacy policy. They have a staking guide. It shows you how to stake your tokens. Wallet, Explorer, use cases. They are listed on CoinMarketCap as well. They have Binance Research, different portals. They have different contact emails as well that you could check over. So they also have their coin here listed on CoinGecko, it says. And their block explorer you can find at explorer.ltonetwork.com/dashboard. It's going to have info over there as well. And, price of their coin here is about 10.6 cents, it says. They have over 168.7 million LTO staked right now. They've burned over 74.6 million LTOs, and they have 93 active nodes right now. You can find all that type of information on their document section, or on their Explorer, I mean. So check out their Block Explorer. Now they have a new updated roadmap too you can find on their webpage. The 2024 RWA roadmap. So you have to scroll all the way down here, but basically they have something called Firm 24, and this is the Netherlands' leading business registration notaries. And so this will allow real-world entities to issue RWAs on the LTO network without manual intervention or a centralized party. The API integration will be bi-directional, so they have that coming up as well. And then they have, they're building the EQTY for liquidity. And yeah, so then they have tons of news articles, or blog articles on their page as well. Just tons of information. If you go over to ltonetwork.com, find all sorts of links there, technical papers and everything if you want to check it out. Usually, the blockchain papers are super long as opposed to, like, say, a meme coin. So you could read probably for a couple hours about this project. But basically, this token here just got listed on Coinex Global today. So if you are looking for it, there is a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. So check that out. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the LTO network? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.